Welcome to LifeFlow Boost, where small habits make a big difference in your life. Do you wake up feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day, or do you often hit snooze multiple times and drag yourself out of bed? Well, if you're looking to transform your mornings and set yourself up for success, then keep watching. Because today I'll be sharing a powerful morning meditation technique that can make all the difference. Whether you're a seasoned meditator or a curious beginner, this guide will walk you through every step so you can start your day with clarity, focus, and positivity. So let's dive in and discover how to master the art of morning meditation. Find a quiet space. Start by finding a quiet and comfortable space where you won't be disturbed for the next few minutes. It could be in your bedroom, living room, or even outdoors if the weather permits. Choose a spot where you can sit comfortably with your eyes closed. Sit comfortably. Once you've found your ideal spot, it's time to get into a comfortable seated position. You can sit cross-legged on the floor or in a chair with your feet flat on the ground. The key is to find a posture that is relaxed yet alert. Gently close your eyes and turn your attention inwards. Focus on your breath for 3 minutes. As you sit in silence, gently bring your attention to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your inhales and exhales. Don't try to control or change your breath. Just observe it. This simple act of focusing on your breath can help calm your mind and bring you into the present moment. Set a timer for 3 minutes. It's important not to get distracted by time while meditating. However, setting a timer can be helpful, especially for beginners. Use your phone or a timer to set a 3-minute duration. This will help you stay focused and prevent you from checking the time or getting carried away by other thoughts. Repeat a positive mantra. If you find your mind wandering during meditation, it's perfectly normal. Instead of getting frustrated, gently bring your attention back to your breath. You can also helpfully repeat a positive mantra or affirmation such as I am calm or I am present. By repeating these words silently in your mind, you can cultivate a sense of peace and stillness. Slowly open eyes and stretch. After 3 minutes, it's time to slowly bring your meditation to a close. Take a few deep breaths and then slowly open your eyes. Gently stretch your arms and legs, releasing any tension you may have built up while sitting. Take a few moments to appreciate the sense of calmness you've cultivated within you. Now that you've completed your first morning meditation session, it's important to make it a daily habit. Consistency is key when it comes to reaping the full benefits of meditation. Try to meditate every morning for at least 3 minutes. You can gradually increase the duration as you become more comfortable. One way to stay consistent is to set reminders or use a meditation app that guides you through the process. These apps often have features like soothing background music or nature sounds that can enhance your meditation experience. Some popular options include Headspace, Calm, and Insight Timer. Another tip is to make meditation part of your morning routine. For example, you could meditate right after brushing your teeth or making your bed. By associating meditation with an existing habit, you'll be more likely to stick with it. It's also essential to be patient and kind to yourself. Don't get discouraged if your mind wanders during meditation. Just gently bring your attention back to the present moment. Remember that everyone has different experiences with meditation, and there's no right or wrong way to do it. Over time, you'll notice numerous benefits of incorporating a morning meditation practice into your routine. Meditation can help reduce stress and anxiety, improve focus and concentration, increase self-awareness, and promote emotional well-being. When you wake up in the morning, your mind might be filled with thoughts about work, family, or other obligations. All of these thoughts can cause stress and anxiety, which can make it difficult to focus on the task at hand. Meditation helps you to calm your mind and bring your attention to the present moment. By doing so, you can start your day with a sense of peace and clarity. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Psychiatry found that mindfulness meditation can significantly reduce trait anxiety levels in individuals with social anxiety disorder. Another study published in the journal Emotion found that mindfulness meditation can help individuals reappraise negative emotions and improve their ability to cope with stress. In addition to reducing stress and anxiety, morning meditation can also help you focus and concentrate better throughout the day. When you meditate, you train your mind to pay attention to the present moment without judgment. This ability to focus on the present moment can be applied to other areas of your life, such as work or studies. A study published in the journal Frontiers in Psychology found that mindfulness meditation can improve attentional control and reduce mind wandering. Furthermore, morning meditation can help you become more self-aware. During meditation, you learn to observe your thoughts and feelings without judgment. This increased self-awareness can help you better understand your emotions and reactions, leading to personal growth and self-reflection. Finally, morning meditation can promote emotional well-being. When you meditate, you activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for calming the body and promoting relaxation. This can lead to an overall sense of well-being and can help you start your day with a positive mindset. We hope you found this morning meditation technique helpful. Give it a try and experience the benefits of meditation for yourself. Remember, consistency is key. So make an effort to meditate every morning and be patient with yourself as you practice. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day, and may your mornings be filled with peace and tranquility.